The 2023 Acura Integra hails the return of one of the brand's most iconic nameplates, delivering a premium, exhilarating drive with a sleek liftback design. It's packed with life-advancing features that are simply hard to beat. Here's how to set up Alexa built-in. Step 1. Select Amazon Alexa on the center display screen. Step 2. Follow the process to link your Acura vehicle to your Amazon account. Begin by selecting Get Started. Review the disclaimer and select Agree to proceed. Step 3. Link your Amazon account by selecting Visit Amazon.com/code or scan the QR code shown on the screen. Step 4. Enter your Amazon account credentials. Once complete, the center display will indicate the vehicle is now registered to your account. Step 5. Select the Remember Me checkbox if you wish to remain signed in. Step 6. Follow the Amazon Alexa setup process on the center display screen. It will guide you through some of the many great voice command features you can use with Alexa, including the ability to stream audio, provide turn-by-turn directions, and make phone calls. Step 7. Once you've signed into Alexa through the audio system, you can trigger Alexa 3 ways. You can say the wake word, Alexa, from anywhere in the vehicle. You can press the talk button on the steering wheel, or you can select the Alexa icon from inside the app. If you have an active remote package on AcuraLink, you can also control features of your Integra from your smartphone via the app, or through Alexa with your voice using AcuraLink skill. Simply follow the instructions on the Alexa skill download page in the Amazon Alexa app, and connect your AcuraLink account to begin. AcuraLink skill includes the ability to lock and unlock, or start and turn off the vehicle remotely, find your car, and more.